Now we are going to see about the melanoma detection using deep learning techniques. We are going to see about the overview of our process. The main objective of our project is to detect the melanoma disease, that is the either benign or malignant, by using deep learning techniques. So melanoma is a type of skin which is not that common like basal cell and Squamous carcinoma, but it has the dangerous implications since it has the tendency to migrate to other parts of body. So if it is detected at an earlier stage, then we can easily treat, otherwise it becomes fatal. Many computer aided diagnostics methods using tomography images have been proposed to assist the clinicians and dermatologists. This paper reviews about the deep learning techniques to detect melanoma cases from the wrist skin lesion in clinical and dermoscopy images. Here the system has developed the deep learning algorithms for detecting the disease, that is the either malignant or benign, by using the convolutional neural network. This is the overview of our project. Then we are going to see about the flow of our project. So this is the flow diagram. So first we have to take the melanoma disease dataset. The dataset was collected from some dataset repository like Kaggle, GitHub or some other dataset repositories. After that, the input image, we have to choose your one input image from your dataset. After that, we have to implement the pre-processing. So here we have to resize your input image as well as grayscale conversion. After that, the pre-processed image will carry out to feature extraction. Here we have to extract the features from your input image by using mean standard variations. In this step, the output will get the three different features. Every image has own features, so based on the features we have to analyze that. After that, we have to implement the image splitting module. Here we have to split your whole input images into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. After that, we have to implement the classification module. Here we have to implement deep learning algorithm such as convolutional neural network. Then prediction. So here we have to predict the input image is either malignant or benign with the help of classification algorithms. Then finally we have to estimate the performance analysis like accuracy. So accuracy means it is the overall prediction how our model is accurately performed in terms of percentage. So this is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about the output of our process. So first we have to select one input image from our dataset. So this is the dataset. So actually this dataset contains the benign, then malignant. So this is the combination or mixture of benign and malignant. So we have to choose one images from this. The first one is the original image, that is the which we have selected from our dataset. The next one is resized image. So every image have same size, have not same size, right? So we have to resize the images. After that, grayscale conversion. Here we have to convert the grayscale image from your pre-processed image. Then we have to extract the features from your dataset by using the mean standard deviation. So here we got three different features from our input dataset. After that, we have to implement the deep learning algorithms. So here we are implemented convolutional neural network. So this is the result for convolutional neural network algorithm. So after executing the convolutional neural network, we will get the result. then we have to predict the selected input images either benign or malignant. So the prediction is benign. So this is the output of our project. Actually we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Thank you.